Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to my channel. It's been a while I dropped the video, but a quick one. So I have this Huawei Y9s that the power button is spoiled. So as you can see here, it's actually torn. Now I believe a whole lot of people have similar issues that they find it difficult to fix. So all you have to do is to lift up the battery plug. Just get your USB cable connected to your computer. That's your laptop. It could be a laptop, it could be a computer. Yes, and connect your cable to the charger port whilst the power button is being lifted. I mean the power plug, the battery plug. Now just connect your cable to the phone. Wait for the phone to light up. Okay, then connect back your power plug. Voila, this should power on the phone whilst you look out for a new power button. It's quite simple, but then you need a technical person to fix this for you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.